So these strange contraptions are called Pooters, which is a brilliant name. Essentially what this is a hoover for insects, but it's powered by you. So the way it works is you have a little tube at the end. This is where the insects go in. You've got a collection chamber, so this is where your insects are going to be trapped once you've hoovered them up. And you've also got this tube, which you're going to use to suck the insect up. Now, don't worry, you're not going to eat any insects, because at the end of this tube, you can get it out, is a little piece of gauze. So you can suck the insects up, but they're not going to go any further than the end of this bung. So the pooter is quite a simple device, but it's very effective. It's very useful if you're trying to pick up insects, for example, after doing a beat sheet, or from a sweep net, or from a tray if you've kind of laid out all your insects in one place, or just going through the undergrowth and picking out any insects that you find interesting. And pooters come in many different sizes, so this one's for quite large insects, this one's for slightly smaller insects. Feel free to experiment with pooters. It is possible to make your own pooter as well. It's a small plastic or glass tube, some bungs, and a little piece of piping on either side.